Okay, now I'm at that same Walmart, driving to go grab my mother at the front door of the Walmart. And it is pouring, folks. And the wind is howling, so it's making the rain go sideways. So even the umbrella did pretty good going in, but it didn't do much coming out. Pretty much just wet. Okay, short ride home. A problem. My video camera's running, so just so you know.
Ridiculous.
Okay.
It's a little wet.
It's a little wet. Well, the good thing is we don't have far to go now.
No.
Short ride home and get to get changed. Yeah, trust me. I had the umbrella. I was going out. The wind was blowing the rain sideways, so the umbrella did absolutely nothing.
Yeah, I know.
Look at my legs. It's just soaking my legs.
See? Well, my legs aren't bad, but my feet are soaked, and I'm like, I don't want to get the bag soaking wet, so everything will fall out of the box on the way upstairs. Nice. Actually, we don't have to bring it up.
Oh,
right now.
Fine. I don't care.
Oh, wait till it slows down a little.
Wait till tomorrow? Or I think they said Wednesday.
No, but I mean, it's not going to pour like this steady. Hopefully. It wasn't raining this hard when we left.
I know, but that's what they said.
Where are you going?
I gotta get this off. I didn't want to stop there and bother everybody who was trying to get up to the front door.
Yep.
I gotta get this coat off though, because it is soaking my arms now.
Yep. It's
water repellent, but it's not waterproof. And that last round of rain just soaked it.
No, but I figure it'll slow down a little bit at some point.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can run down and get it then.
Especially once I get there, all I gotta do is go upstairs and change. So. And it's in a cardboard box, so it ain't gonna hurt me.
Yeah, you're going to try to go up that wrong way again?
Oh, that's right too. You can't do that here. I forgot. That's right. Yeah. There's a light over here though, right? Isn't there a light coming out of here?
No.
There's no light coming out of here either?
No.
Why wouldn't they have a light at the Walmart?
I don't know.
Alright, we'll just go this way. Yeah, you can pick it down lane, buddy. There's three of them.
Right now you get across as fast as you can and you can pick the first one.
Yep. Oh. Wow. That's as fast as your wife can go, Mom. That is some serious rain from this tropical storm right now.
Where are you going?
Are we just going to go back home?
We can go this way.
Oh, whoa, look at this, Mom.
Yeah.
Whoa, you're starting to get those side areas starting to flood. Yeah, I think it'd be a good idea to get back home and get off the road about now. I think skipping Home Depot is a good choice.
Oh yeah, I couldn't see it today. Not just for that. No.
Wow, all these sides are filling right up with water. Look at that. So they don't let up. That's going to start flooding out pretty soon.
get flooded in.
Yeah, she might. Well, high tide's 8 p.m. So they're almost there at slack tide right now.
Take the directional line.
Oh, I do? Oh, right, I do.
Yeah, I bet there's parts of 19 back there that near Ranch Road and stuff that always floods. Probably
underwater.
Yeah.
You know what? I need to get some gum and I forgot. For the plane ride tomorrow. Oh, and I didn't bring any money either.
Oh, yeah.